Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing UCANBE Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette. Using that eyeshadow palette, I am creating this blue smoky eye look. Hope you are doing well and enjoying my videos. So let's start its unboxing and reviewing. So I bought this eyeshadow palette from Purple app and it's from UCANBE Pretty All Set. It has all the warm, neutral and cool undertone shade which suits all skin tones. It's a tri set with 3 layer of eyeshadow palette, also including 2 highlighter, 2 blusher and 2 contour with long lasting formula. Today I am reviewing this product and it's called Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette from UCANBE and it has 86 pretty shades including contour, highlighter and blush. It looks so gorgeous, guys. Like, look at its packaging. It's like a disco ball. Let's unbox it. Okay, so it's the final product. Let's open it. Okay guys, so I am swatching some of the shades. You see guys, it's 86 shades palette. Like, it has so gorgeous shades, shimmer, matte and glitter also. It has 3 glitters. It has beautiful glitter, matte and shimmer shades. It has 3 glitter shades. It's in this pink, golden and this purple shade. Okay, let's swatch some of the shades. So from this side, let's swatch this and this matte shade and this shimmer shade. Oh my god guys, it's so pretty. Let's see. It's very pretty copper shimmer shade and it's in brown matte shade and this light shimmer shade. Let's swatch some other shades like this one and this one. Where should I swatch it? Look guys, it's so pigmented and looks so pretty. Look at this shine. Now let's swatch from this side. Let's take this blue shade and this wine shade and let's just take this green. OMG, look at this. It's so gorgeous. Okay, let's swatch it here. Ooh. All the shades look so pretty guys. As its name suggests, Pretty All Set, like it's a set of all pretty shades. Like this shimmer magenta shades and green and matte blue. Oh my god guys, it's so amazing. Looks so cute. Now from the middle part, so it has 2 highlighter, this and this one, and 2 blushes, this and this, and 2 contour, this and this. So let's swatch from this. Let's take this copper golden color and this teal color and also one from shimmer. I think this or this, I don't know, all 3 shades are like so pretty. Let's take this. OMG. Let's do a swatch. मेरा हाथ तो पूरा भर ही चुका है. चलो यहाँ पे करा जाए. Single. Not impressed. Okay. It's look like this. it not look so good. Let's swatch other shade. OMG guys, look. Let's swatch another glitter shades. This golden and this pink. I think this will looks good. It's nice. ओके तो मुझे इसके शिमर उतने अच्छे नहीं लगे. लाइक इसमें काफ़ी शिमरी पार्टिकल्स हैं, वो लाइक ऐसा है कि फॉल ऑफ हो सकते हैं. बट जो इसके ग्लिटर, तो गाइस जो इसके शिमर और मैट शेड है वो उनकी पिगमेंटेशन काफ़ी अच्छी है और फॉल ऑफ भी बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे. बट जो ये इनका ग्लिटर शेड है, जो 3 ग्लिटर शेड्स है, ये आई थिंक इसमें फॉल ऑफ हो सकता है और मुझे काफ़ी पसंद भी नहीं आया ये. मतलब ठीक है, ओके है. बट जो इसके बाकी के मैट और शिमर शेड है वो बहुत प्यारे हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक इट्स हाइलाइटर, ब्लश एंड कॉन्टोर from the fair side highlighter. It's in white color. Like, I don't know. Let's try. Okay guys, so highlighter is really good. See that shine. Now it's time for the blush. Okay. Pretty pink. Okay, so blush shade is also really good. Easily blendable. Yeah, it's blend quite well. Like see. Let's take its contour. And कहाँ करूँ जगाएगी बच्ची? Let's see. Okay, so it's contour. कॉन्टोर भी अच्छा है एंड ब्लेंडेबल है. या pretty good. So yeah, let's create an eye look using this Pretty All Side 86 shade palette. Firstly, I am using concealer for the even base and blend with a beauty blender. Now I am taking this light blue shades and dust off extra particle. And look at the pigmentation guys, it's so pigmented. Now take a fluffy brush and blend the eyeshadow. So next I take this brown matte shade and deposit it into the corner and start blending from corner to its crease line. Now I am taking this dark blue shade and apply it on my eyelid and I am blending this with previous brown shade. Now I am taking this charcoal black and apply it on my eyelid. Just apply it a thin line and start blending so that no harsh line will create. Now I am taking the purple glitter and dab it on my eyelid and gently spread. Now I am taking this Mars Cosmetic white kajal and apply it on my lower lash line and applying same dark blue shade near to my lower lash line. Now for the final look I take my eyelashes on. Now I am taking little bit of concealer for that clear look. Now for the blush I am taking this pink blush from the same palette and this is the final look of blue smoky eyes. Guys, I tried my best to create this look and I'm not perfect in the smoky look. I just tried for the first time in blue smoky eyes and hope you like it. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye guys.